Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is 10:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this third day of March 2021. Happy Wednesday. Taking a look now, wrote an article yesterday on Bitcoin. Didn't touch much into Bitcoin in my video yesterday, but I touched on it in my article and just want to kind of go through the trades we were looking at. So on the $500 three-box reversal chart on the top left, we looked at a scenario occurring over here where this was the column that we were looking at yesterday. That article, the column looked like this. It was just this column of X's. We did not see this column of O's or this column of X's. And I had these arrows drawn. And what I wrote basically is that if we get this reversal column of O's and if it doesn't create a short, then enter on the first three-box reversal that occurs after that column of O's, which would have been right at 49,500. And that would put you $3,000 into profit on a single Bitcoin. That would have been a nice move there. So if you did that, that worked out nicely. Then on the $250 three-box reversal chart, two alternative trade setups here. So we looked at shorting the split double bottom here. And if you would have taken the short and you would have used the three-box reversal, you would have had a scratch trade, meaning you would have ended up flat. You would have entered at 48,250 and you would have been stopped out at 48,250. So minus a commission cost and whatever, that was your loss. But if you got in at the buy stop that we had up here at 50,250, it went all the way up to 52,500, and you may still be in it, you may not still be in it. Either way, it is in profit. My point here is that point figure is a very powerful chart style that really does help us to identify some trade setups, and it leaves a lot of the motion out of it. So the $100 three-box reversal chart, we looked at a short at a break of the triple bottom. So we looked at a short at 48,300. And I remember writing that we should exit slightly above the bullish trend line at 47,250, 47,500. Either way, profitable setup. You would have gotten out in profit before it reversed. And yeah, so that's what we're looking at there. Now, let's go back to what we looked at yesterday. And for Ethereum, we looked at going with an entry at 1610. Again, if you're using the three-box reversal... Whoa. I think my wife dropped something upstairs in her office. If you saw this entry and you took it, then you would have had a flat trade. Then if we look at Litecoin, we haven't done anything with Litecoin yet. And I think I'm looking at this and I'm thinking there may be a trade. There's two trade setups I see on Litecoin. There is a break of a triple top at 197 even. Or we have a break of a double bottom with a short entry at 186. Now the profit targets for those, which I just found out that TradingView did, or not TradingView, but Optima did fix these targets, which is nice. Oh, that's not what I wanted. That works though. So we have our first profit target for the long. We would only go to 203, but our sell stop profit target would be at 172. I wonder if there's a way to can you make these text bigger? Oh yeah, we can. There we go. Okay, so that's on Litecoin. Polkadot. We had our sell stop trigger, small loss on that one. We'll leave it alone for now. Binance Coin, that was pulling south. And then Cardano. So we're looking at a sell stop at 119 even. That's still active. Buy stop at 132. We're going to change that. We're going to look at a buy stop at 128 now. We're going to adjust that lower. Buy stop at 128. So we have a 4-cent drop there. And we'll just say that was March 2nd we did that. So Cardano, Binance Coin, Polkadot. We'll take a look at, somebody wanted me to take a look at XLM, Stellar Lumen. Wait for that to load. So let's see here. This is the other nice thing about point figure is I haven't looked at Stellar Lumen's point figure chart before, but I already know what kind of setup we have here. Broad speaking, looking at this chart, this looks very much like a bear flag off of this prior move. And then we have this going on here. So we have a double bottom. And so if we get a column of O's, we're going to get a triple bottom, which is nice. So that's automatically that makes me want to look at the short side of this. So that'd be at 41.90. But there's another reason why. And that is because of this X right here. If this forms a triple bottom and then we get the sell stop, we not only get a break of a triple bottom, we also get the confirmation of a bull trap. So, and if it moves up one more X and then forms that column of O's, that forms a washout. Sorry, a fake out trade setup. The target, the profit target, probably want to split the trade up into one or two different trades with two different profit targets. One that is around the bullish uptrend angle, so at 41.40, and then maybe another, if it does break down lower, that's where you'd enter. But otherwise, that's what I see there. So we've got some nice setups there. Cardano, Binance Coin, leaving Binance Coin and Polkadot alone for right now. Ethereum, I'm going to leave that one alone. But we've got some Litecoin, Cardano, and Stellar. Good setups there. And I think we'll leave it at that. Y'all have a good rest of your day. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe.